The Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations is a specialized agency of the United Nations that leads international efforts to defeat hunger and improve nutrition and food security. Its Latin motto, Fiat Panis, translates to, Let there be bread. It was founded in October 1945. The FAO is composed of 197 member states. It is headquartered in Rome, Italy, and maintains regional and field offices around the world, operating in over 130 countries. It helps governments and development agencies coordinate their activities to improve and develop agriculture, forestry, fisheries, and land and water resources. It also conducts research, provides technical assistance to projects, operates educational and training programs, and collects data on agricultural output, production, and development. The FAO is governed by a biennial conference representing each member country and the European Union, which elects a 49-member executive council. The Director General, currently Ku Dongyu of China, serves as the Chief Administrative Officer. There are various committees governing matters such as finance, programs, agriculture, and fisheries. The idea of an international organization for food and agriculture emerged in the late 19th and early 20th century, advanced primarily by Polish-born American agriculturalist and activist David Lubin. In May to June 1905, an international conference was held in Rome, Italy, which led to the creation of the International Institute of Agriculture by the King of Italy, Victor Emmanuel III. The IA was the first intergovernmental organization to deal with the problems and challenges of agriculture on a global scale. It worked primarily to collect, compile, and publish data on agriculture, ranging from output statistics to a catalogue of crop diseases. Among its achievements was the publication of the first agricultural census in 1930. World War II effectively ended the IA. During the war, in 1943, United States President Franklin D. Roosevelt called a United Nations Conference on Food and Agriculture, which brought representatives from 44 governments to the Omni Homestead Resort in Hot Springs, Virginia from the 18th of May to the 3rd of June. The main impetus for the conference was British-born Australian economist Frank L. McDougall, who since 1935 had advocated for an international forum to address hunger and malnutrition. The conference ended with a commitment to establish a permanent organization for food and agriculture, which was achieved on the 16th of October 1945 in Quebec City, Canada. Following the constitution of the Food and Agriculture Organization, the first session of the FAO conference was held immediately afterward in the Château Frontenac in Quebec City from the 16th of October to the 1st of November 1945. After the war, the IA was officially dissolved by resolution of its permanent committee on the 27th of February 1948. Its functions, facilities, and mandate were then transferred to the newly established FAO, which maintained its headquarters in Rome, Italy. The FAO's initial functions supported agricultural and nutrition research and providing technical assistance to member countries to boost production in agriculture, fishery, and forestry. Beginning in the 1960s, it focused on efforts to develop high-yield strains of grain, eliminate protein deficiency, promote rural employment, and increases agricultural exports. To that end, it joined the UN General Assembly in creating the UN World Food Programme, the largest humanitarian organization addressing hunger and promoting food security. The FAO launched what would become the FAO Money and Medals Program in 1968. FAO issued collector art medals in various series to bring attention to FAO's goals and missions. This program was responsible for over 100 medal designs issued to the collecting public. A 30th anniversary medal of the MMP was issued in 1998. In 1974, in response to famine in Africa, the FAO convened the first World Food Summit to address widespread hunger, malnutrition, and food insecurity. The meeting resulted in a proclamation that every man, woman and child has the inalienable right to be free from hunger and malnutrition in order to develop their physical and mental faculties, and a global commitment to eradicate these issues within a decade. A subsequent summit in 1996 addressed the shortcomings in achieving this goal while establishing a strategic plan for eliminating hunger and malnutrition into the 21st century. In 1951, the FAO's headquarters were moved from Washington, D.C., United States, to Rome, Italy. The agency is directed by the Conference of Member Nations, which meets every 2 years to review the work carried out by the organization and to work an budget for the next 2-year period. The conference elects a council of 49 member states that acts as an interim governing body, and the Director General, who heads the agency. The FAO is composed of 8 departments: Agriculture and Consumer Protection, Climate, Biodiversity,